Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to run Deepseek on your PC. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started. To be able to use Deepseek on your PC, you're going to need an account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just click the Start Now button right here. That's going to go ahead and open up the registration form where you can create an account. And if you have one, you can just log in using the same way and we can open up Deepseek in our browser. We can get started using it and so on. So now guys, let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started running it on our PC. Basically, what we're going to do is follow this article right here that shows us how to set up and run Deepseek on our PC. And what we're going to be using guys is the Olema program. So here on olema.com, this is the program we're going to be using to be able to run Deepseek. This is going to enable us to run any language model we want. You can download it. As you can see, it's available for macOS, Linux, and Windows. You can download it for your platform, and once you download it, we can get started with installing it. You can follow the rest of the steps right here in this article. They're going to show us basically guys, we're going to go ahead and run the code Olema run Deepseek R1. That's going to enable us to get started with using it on our PC, and you can get started setting it up locally to run it. Basically, after downloading it guys, you can see you can click on Deepseek R1 right here. That's going to enable you to get started with running Deepseek on your Olema program. You have all the info that you need right here on this page. So if you need any more help, you can go ahead and follow this article right here for any troubleshooting and steps that you need, and you can download everything you need from the Olema website. So go ahead and check it out for yourself how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.